this is the ugly duckling. We've got 3 Crossfire XSV4 18s with XT. We have 1 Crossfire 16K and 1 60.
Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Could you tell me real quick what you got? Everything in here?
So this is the ugly duckling. We've got 3 Crossfire XSV4 18s with XT4 parts, and they were actually sent into Roger with extended poles.
Okay.
We have 1 Crossfire 16K and 1 60 amp C-Max, and all brand X 320 alternators under the hood.
Nice. Wow. Is this like a? How did you reinforce the top? That looks different.
So all of this is welded into the actual section of the roof, and then this is integrated to the bulkhead. That's integrated to the frame mount, or the mounts where the sunroof went.
Yes, sir.
And then everything's integrated across.
Wow.
Wood filled, plate steel on top.
Wow. Good job.
Yeah, I was about to.
No flex.
None of that moves. Nope.
Awesome.
But
awesome, man. What is it? Have you metered it at all?
I haven't.
You haven't?
It needs to be metered.
Yep. What is the frequency you're peaking at? Do you know anything about that?
So we have 2 peaks. We know that we're at least peaking around the 32, 33 range.
Okay.
And then the second peak is right around the 47, 48.
Okay.
The low pass is turning down a little bit, so that's not playing that well right
now. Got it. All right. 27, 28 hertz, it does really well. Awesome. Thank you very much. That's really good, man. Sounds great. Yeah, really good.
What's up, pretty boy?
You have a good day.
You do the same.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.